I think this is a good source for me. I think this one has a similar thing. Yeah, fade direct, loader, poll time, progress bar. Let's check this one as well. 22 stars. Hide your starfighter at part of a team. Okay. Do we have a scene switch? No. I'm gonna check this one out. Okay, we solve this transition. How do I go back? Back. Who prays? Okay, fade to black. So everyone kind of does the fade to black thing. Oh, I can go fast. I can shoot missiles. What? What did I crash into? What did I crash into? What kind of hitbox you have here? Okay, alright. I see. It looks fine. I wonder if there are more to it. No, you know what? I think that is enough for me. That's a good starting point for me. Now I need to understand where this comes from. Autoload. What do we have in autoload? Screenshot manager, transition manager, volume settings, input map. Okay. Okay. Is the music too much? Settings. Where does this come from? Print error. Do we get this error? No. So that value must be somewhere. Project settings, get setting, global transition manager. Project settings. Not here. Is it this one? Since it is auto-loaded, somehow it holds this value. Transition manager default speed. I don't think so. Default speed. Ah. Oh. Wait. Then isn't this silly? I need to understand this. It is this thing. So transition manager is the file and then underscore default speed. That's it. Yeah, let me show you. So let's say I can make this 1.5, right? I can print it here. Now it will say 1.5. It wants to delete the stuff. 0.5. Okay. Okay, this 0.5 comes from somewhere. But where? Isn't this stupid though? What is the point of having a default speed here? We are overriding it already. I don't understand. There's some weird logic going on, which I don't understand at all. Okay, I get the message here. I get that one as well. Cool. I don't want to miss messages. There's also audio. I need to find this. I need to figure this out. Project settings. Transition. Global. Where is this thing? Hello, morning. Two nerdy nerds. Your stream was great last night. I felt your joy as well, so it was lovely. How are you? Okay, for some reason Where is the global thing? Global is like at the end. We add things here. But why? Then we allow user to change this. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. And you look like you have an instinctual knowledge to create fun and enjoyment. So much of it was well deserved. Yeah, is it the right word? I don't know. There are different kinds of enjoyment, entertainment, or it can come from enjoyment. Yeah, so it can come from entertainment. It can come from some cathartic things where you feel like you are learning, growing, etc. And I don't want to get into categorizations, exhaustive categorization of everything, but I felt kind of both sources of enjoyment from your stream while watching, so that was particularly good on for me personally. Yeah, I saw you at one point working on transitions, I guess. So I decided that I can also do some transitions while changing scenes. Since I feel like I need to do some thinking, maybe some paper works on paper to continue with how I wanna represent the player, the world, etc. Maybe some puzzle designs, things like that, but I didn't have time to do them yet. So instead, today I wanted to spend this stream to do some foundational stuff like scene transition. I found a starter project, so it has a Godot 4 version as well. It has a transition manager, and I'm trying to understand the code. Yeah, exactly. And then for the next stream, I am thinking about working on save load things. Who knows? Then I can release my own starter project with nothing in it but all the project structure. That is fun. Anyway, I'm trying to understand why they put these settings here. Let's see if, because there is a setting for transition manager default speed, and I think there should be a file for this one, right? No? I think I saw something like not this one. This is input map. There should be a file for this configuration. Anyway, so here settings. Is there a setting for, let me see. Is there a setting for transition? No, of course not. No, it is a scene here. that has a color rect and a fade animation, and fade animation changes the color property of this color rect, and that's it. Very simple, looks like this. I can understand what's happening. That's alright. But what I don't understand is, and now I'm trying to figure out why they wrote the code like this. So this one I added. So on ready of this transition manager, they get this value from project settings, and if there is nothing, wait, why do you return here? What the hell is this? Ah, because default speed is set here above. Ah, okay. No, I don't understand. It doesn't make any sense. Ah, okay. Okay. But this is like holding your ear like this instead of this. It felt a bit weird. Yeah, but is it easier to set it on this global settings? So if I make this 2, suddenly everything will be much faster. So we know the default speed is always 0.5, but if there's a temp, we set it to temp. Maybe temp is the weird. Anyway, so now it should be very fast. No? Oh, it is. Wait. I made the speed bigger, yet the animation is slower. That is, I think. Anyway, I understand what is being done here. Okay, maybe it is a bit weird. Yeah, so now it will be faster. Yeah. Okay, I understand. So let's understand another thing. Transition 2. Scene. Speed seconds. I need to get the door. I will be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. What do we have here? I see there is music and everything going on. I don't care about this part. If speed seconds less than 0, which looks like default is less than 0. Interesting. Is there some intelligence here? I wanna understand. Default speed, and default speed is 0.5 as always. Scene pad equals scene pad. Sure. I mean, animation speed. Yeah, that is what I'm trying to figure out. I feel like there should be. So yeah, if there is something to figure out, something to understand, I want to understand it. Scene pad is scene pad animation speed. Okay. And the weird thing is, it is not less code also. It is not readable, but also it is not, you know, this weird fuzzy stuff people write to make it less. It is not like that either. You have the default here, you don't need to set it there. Start bus volume. Starting bus volume is... where do you use it? You use it here. And then we start the fade animation. So fade animation is our this thing to fade out. Play takes a custom blend. Custom blend -1 means custom blend times and speed can be set. Custom blend times. Custom blend time. Okay. And this fade animation, I guess there is an animation finished signal. Yeah. So when animation is finished, if animation is fade out, we change the tree to the scene. Okay. What? Fade animation play, fade in. Get 3 paused. This one fades out, another one fades in. We wait for the earlier animation to finish. If it's a fade out, we immediately fade in the new thing. Where do we set get 3 to true? That is the problem. The problem is the code is separated. So I think you see, OS get name. Setting scene background. What is this? Yeah, you were looking for not using the sound while working on it, and someone suggested that local runs has like debug as the OS name or something. Someone mentioned something like that. Something in the OS. Can I see the properties? Yeah, I think you might have missed it then. Someone in the chat wrote that. Maybe like has meta or something, I'm not sure. OS. Get distribution name. Maybe that one? Get environment. Yeah. It was very active, very active chat, which was very cool. Being part of it, I mean. I was working at the time, so I was kind of lurking and watching at the same time. But still, somehow the stream requested my attention, like all the time, constantly. And I think I think that's a good thing. Yeah, that is something you can be happy about. Okay, it was here. That is the problem with me. I got sidetracked all the time. Now I'm trying to see the debug thing here. Can I search the document to have if this have a debug thing? Has feature returns true if the feature for the given feature tag is supported. Ah, you see? If OS has feature something, feature tags, and feature tags are debug. So yeah, you say OS has feature debug and you understand if it is run from the editor. Something like that. Custom features. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that is actually very cool. Interesting. Okay. Never mind. This is done. Although this was not my current problem at hand. So I can have this transition manager. I wanna see where it is used then. I'm trying to find that. I was trying to find that. I know I have seen it, so let's find it. So here we are, we have the title. How to play. Okay. How to play. Let's find, or the title. Let's find the title then. Okay. New game button. Finally, transition button has this. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Nice. Fade sound, grab focus, etc, etc, text and stuff. Scene to load, how to play. When it is pressed, transition to. Okay. So then we should delegate each these load and add child thing to the transition manager. Like this one. I think right now this is the only time I'm using it. Okay. I think I understand. What do we need? We need a color rect and a fade animation. Okay. Can I copy this and paste it on my project? Does it work like that? Nope. Okay, let's start a new 2D scene, which we will call a transition manager. And then this will have a canvas. Yeah, it will be very, very cool. It will have a... No, this is not going to be a 2D. This is going to be change type. This is going to be a canvas layer. And then it will have a rect, color rect. What was it? Yeah, that one. And then we will have an animation player. Okay. Inspector. Current animation. Ooh. Ooh. I saw something. Where do I write these stuff? Animation. Ooh. Current animation. There is fade in, fade out. How do you add animations? Fade in, fade out. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Reset. What does it do? Okay. I think I understand what's happening. Stop. No, okay. So maybe how do I key this? How do I make it? Past future differences. What is this? Only show tracks. No, no, no. Animation. Come on, new animation. I want to do new animation. Active. Add metadata. Do I need to add something? Stop. Add new animation. Root animation. Track. No. Callback. Process. It feels like there should be some button somewhere says add animation or something. Fade animation. Reset is used to okay. Add track. Add track? No, I don't have add track either. Wait. Are there other animations? Oh, maybe animations are different nodes. I think do I remember something like that? Do. Settings. No. Assets. Maybe in the assets? No. I will find it. Fade animation. Okay, this one has animations that are defined, like I don't have them. I only have one, and for some reason mine looks not cool like this one. This one has all these tracks. I don't have tracks. Okay. Do I make it like, okay, make this key this one? Do I say like, where is it? This doesn't look like a button. I think Godot needs a UI people, designers. This doesn't look like a button, man. I am thinking this is a label. Maybe you can add a small plus button around here somewhere, you know? Come on, Godot. Okay. Why? I'm gonna do it. So I have the fade in animation now. Okay, I can see it there. Oh, I can have one animation and run it reverse. Can I do that? I don't need fade in and fade out. I don't. Do I have no idea about these animations and such. Okay. Oops. Okay, animation player. Try this. Try this. I will. Click animation player. Click color rect in the node tree. Wait, what? Go to modulate. You mean like this? No. Nope. I remember seeing modulate somewhere, but where was it? I don't think as the it only makes the keying the frames under visibility. Oh, okay. Modulate. No, there is no key. The key becomes available when we have an animation. Yeah. I think that's it. So we will make it like fade. We will key this here. This is 100% now. This is opacity. Or visibility. What is this? Modulate. The color applied to this canvas item. Okay. And what is this? To fill. Wait, what? No, but what is the difference between property color and modulate? I think I need to make this transparent then. We don't want a color, but we want to... So we key this one. But come to think of it, this guy makes the animation on the... Okay. I am too rookie to understand what you wrote. But I will eventually. Okay. Sure. Then I modulate it with red. Okay, so we keyed this one. And then let's move this to 1 second. Make this 0. And put another modulation. You mean like here? Where is my color rect? Okay, so the canvas color doesn't make any sense. No. Ah. Okay. And if I make this one like transparent, not visible. Okay, it is completely gone. So I want this to be there. If it is black, what happens then? Red below in the modulate does not matter. If this is white, what happens? I need to key. I need to key again. Here, this is, if I'm modulating the white color opacity with black color on the canvas, on the rectangle, something like this. I think this is more explicit instead of modulate. So we need to modulate, but I wanna see the color here, I think. You're now modifying only the alpha channel. Yeah. Shouldn't I do that? Only the alpha channel. I am total noob in all of this, so am I missing something? I just wanna modulate the, I just wanna keyframe the alpha channel. Or do I wanna do something else? Do I wanna do like maybe gradients, vignettes, like start from the middle, and I think those are advanced transitions. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, I think when I see when I see some progress and some promise, I can ask for more professional help on these matters. For now, I need to just, you know, imitate or take it until you know, fake it like it is a proper animation or something like that. Okay. So what I wanna do now is to see if I can reverse play this. I'm gonna check that. We run the animation. So animation player. Do we have, oh, if I make the speed like -1, does it run it in reverse? Play backwards. Oh, there it is. Plays the animation with key name in reverse. There you go. So I don't need multiple animations. I can have one, so I would have one problem. Thank you. I think, yeah, I think I'm showing some progress or some promising player. I was playing Championship Manager when I was quite young. There were players coming from the, you know, under 16, under 18 teams, and they were called promising players. Okay. This is a shorthand for play with custom speed -1. Exactly. Upcoming star, yeah. Okay. So we have the animation. Then we need this thing here. I agree that we need a reference to store. We need a variable to store the next scene. Because so we will run this thing. We will call this one from outside, and then we will start the animation. We will store this scene on our variable, because after this one is done, on fade animation finished. Animation list, animation libraries. Maybe I need 2 animations after all, or I need another string to track. Or I can clear up the where was it, man? About the transition. What is listening for about the transition? Settings. I know I'm not making it the... I'm not the fastest one I think my mind is a bit distracted today as well. This only happens when I am indecisive about how to write. So what we are going to do is we will move this thing to the animation player. That's it. We will put something between this action and this action, that action. Okay, so yeah, I will save this transition manager into my globals. Save. I will also save this script. So, and then on my project's autoload, I will add the transition manager, right? The UI is weird. They need to work on the UI, man. Then we will move this one to this script. I would say. Game needs to know about the current level. I think so. Can we return something in the... Of course we can. I think so. Can we return? Yeah, we can. We have the next level, we have the current level. You know what? I'm gonna put these here also for now, while I figure out. Call method and return back again. Yeah. Because I wanna return so here, instead of change scene with next level, we should call for transition manager dot change scene, but we should give it the current level and next level, both of them. I am not sure why. I wanna call it current level and next level. So alt scene, let's stick to the naming convention. Alt level is current level. Current level will be new level dot instantiate, and this will again be level. So we remove old level. What don't you like here? Not declared. Not new level, next level. Come on, where is my mind? So this should do this, and we will return the current level here. Then we will set oh, I cannot. Oh, current level is a not 3D. Okay, that works. So I don't have access to levels from the transition manager. We don't want to do this. That is the problem. I can listen to animation finish thing, then add my scene here. Instead of levels, add child. Thank you very much, and take good care of yourself. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I will figure it out. I think I am still on the adjustment phase. Being on stream kind of creates a self-conscious anxiety bubble, and also I feel a bit distracted today. I don't know why. I can't wrap my head around. Some stuff where you just churn through the, some chores, it is easy, but then I need to build new synapse networks in my brain now. That is taking more processing power. I am trying to build new connections. Where do we change? We change the scene here. First we fade out. Then as we fade out, we load this one and play another animation. And I don't understand why this paused method is called. What sets it to pause? We don't set it here. Maybe it is this thing. Maybe something is listening to about the transition. No. Oh, for some reason my cam got all weird. Reset. You were watching my ass the whole time. Anyway. Maybe it is the sitting, it is the standing up. Let's adjust this again. I didn't realize I was exposing my back to you. That was not cool. Can transition. I don't know, man. I don't like reading boilerplate code. Only because of this reason. There are stuff that are added for, you know, some complicated scenarios which you don't need when you are just starting out. I should just press and see what happens. We will not be able to access levels from here. And also I don't want to access it from here as well. Wait, can I? How did you access that? Interesting. I wasn't expecting this to work. I was not expecting this to work at all. Why did it work? So we call transition manager. Oh, that is because I didn't do it yet. Now when I press this one, then it will fail. Right, yes. So we don't know levels here. Which is nice, we shouldn't. The game manager should do it. Transition manager should only do the transitions. So maybe because what this does, okay, I think something is emerging in my mind. We are listening to the animation finished and then we start doing this, right? So what I'm going to do is my transition manager will have two functions. One function will be unload level, pass for now, and the second function will be load level, which is level. So then here on my game script, if there is a next level and a button is pressed, what we are going to do is we are going to first unload level, which will play an animation, and oh, can I wait for the animation to finish? Animation player. Is playing, pause, play. GD script awaits. Signal button dot pressed await signal. But return to the calling function. What does this mean? Ah, I understand. If I await this, I guess we can have another signal, right? Scene unloaded or something like that. I'm returning back. I will put this one back here. So we have this. We will say change scene to next level. That is it. Right. So here, what we are going to do, let's keep the convention and name this change level. We are gonna also name this change level. Okay, so change level will do this, then do the transition manager dot unload. which will unload the old level. And old level is not 3D. What am I not understanding here? I want to start the animation. I want to do the animation, and right in the middle I want to change the scene. Something like that. Yeah. So let me go back to the animation player actually. I can understand the current animation position. Or I can understand the halfway point or something. Yeah, I want to do that. Yeah. I don't know if it is true or if it is appropriate or whatnot. I want to do it like that. Let me do it like that, because that made more sense to me. So what I want to do is, I want to do here, my animation player will have no, not the animation player, but this one. So here I will say on the stop. What do we have? Fade. So here my animation will be to so here on the first frame it will be 0, which is totally transparent, right? Then 1 second, let's do, for now I don't care. So let's go like 5.5. Here it will be full, and we key that in, and then at the 1 second mark it will be 0 again. And then if we go back to our scene here, this shows that it's going like this. It's going full pitch black and then total transparency. Cool. So this is what we want. So then I just want to play the let's call this fade animation. Okay, so when I'm changing the level, I just want to call transition manager dot how do I do it? Okay. So we will say func play fade animation, right? And we will call this is an animation player. So we will just call animation player dot play. No, it does not understand the animation player is an animation player. Interesting. What? Methods. Play. I want to play this. I just wanna say play fade animation and then do this. If it makes sense. I am not sure. We will see. What happened there? Point 5. But what I don't understand is this. Okay. I have no idea. What is our display window? 1080p. Yeah, okay. So should I do it the same? Can I do it like that? This thing. Follow viewport. Ooh, I cannot click anything now. Because this is... Okay, okay. So this thing should also have... Oh, this is too much, man. You need to think too much. So, no, not this one. I wanna say color rect to visible, to be visible. Like this. It may not look good. It may not look the best transition. But is it a transition? Yeah, it is a transition and it looks quite nice. At the moment, at the half-second mark, we change the scene. So we see it is going and then the new thing comes. Nice. I'm gonna clip this. Can I clip this? And I wanna put it in a shorts. How do I do it? Let's do it. I don't know. There we go. There's a clip now. How does it look? Nice. I liked it. This was very cool. I liked it. Achievement! New day, new stream. Why? What is that? Stream 25 hours. Oh, cool. But I still need 5 people chatting at the same time and average of 3 viewers. It is gradually increasing. But still it is below 2. So we will see. And then I need 50 followers to become affiliate. And the funny thing is, I have 2 channels that are both affiliates at the moment. Yeah. But we will get this one as well. And this one will stick, definitely. Anyway, I think this was nice. So I will end the stream now. Yesterday I should have rated. I had like 5 people. Yesterday I should have rated with 5. Yeah. Today it doesn't matter to do it with 1. But still we can go to then. Let's do it. Why not? How do I do it? Then I will finish. Raid. Start a goal. What? Ah, okay. Let's do it. One viewer ready to raid. Raid now. I will raid now and then I will end my stream. So whoever that one viewer is, thank you very much for staying with me. Take care. Let's go.